A great philosopher once said that change is the only constant thing in life, and that is one of the most accurate things ever. The world is changing faster than ever, and you need to stay in vogue so you don't get left behind. In this video, we will be revealing the top 10 skills that can set you on the path of being a millionaire in this rapidly changing world with minimal effort. Make sure you watch to the end. Our number one pick is absolutely shocking. But before we move on with this video, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button on your screen and become part of this YouTube family. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Here are some skills you'll be glad you acquired before it's too late. Number 10. Video editing. First on our list is a skill that will make you hundreds of dollars daily. Of course, that depends on how good you become and how diligent you are with the skill. No job gives you hundreds of dollars if you don't work for it. The world has gone beyond just texts and pictures. Several organizations are becoming more aware of the fact that people are drawn more to videos than to text or graphics. Sadly, for these organizations, video production and editing are two very different skills that are not only difficult to master, but also time-consuming. This means they cannot afford to employ a professional for the job. Aside from making catchy videos, companies now know that their videos have to be edited to perfection. No mistakes and no unwanted content. And unlike text, where with the single click of a backspace button, you can remove an error, editing a video requires a lot of expertise. The kind of expertise that isn't achieved in one day. The good thing about skills that are high in demand is this: the pay is. You can choose to work for as many organizations as you can handle, and most importantly, you don't have to go to an office to work. You can do all your work right from your room. This means you can make several $100s from your bedroom. Number 9. Interior decorations. This is one skill that will always remain relevant irrespective of the times, era, government, or whatever factor you could think of. One thing that has become engraved on our hearts as humans are our love of aesthetics. Our definition of beauty may change, but we will always want our houses, offices, churches, and other buildings to have the best structures and decorations. This is where interior decorations come in. The last thing you want to do is look down on interior decorators because they make a lot of cash, and it's all for making your office look more homey than you could ever imagine. As an interior decorator, all you have to do is stay creative and up to date on the latest designs, and you'll be surprised at how rich you'll become over time. Number 8. Content creation. When the phrase content creation is mentioned, the mind goes straight to the meaning of the word, creating content, and rightly so. However, the skill of content creation goes way beyond creating content. A content creator needs to know exactly what kind of content the target audience wants at the time, what topic is best addressed at the time, and most importantly, a content creator needs to ensure originality at all times. Organizations and companies around the world are becoming more aware of the importance of content creation and are more than willing to pay thousands for it. Becoming a content creator warrants you to be proficient at skills such as writing, photography, graphic design, etc. This might sound amazing, but you have to put in a bit of work to hone your skills and make them marketable before you can start making money from your skills. Number 7. Web design. Web design encompasses several skills such as creating unique websites, interfaces, and long-term management of the design. Do you know any company today that does not have a website? Yeah, I didn't think so. Every company in the 21st century knows the importance of providing the best customer service, and that's what a website provides them with. Now, that's where you come in. Web designing, like several other computer skills, is not just high in demand, it also requires a lot of expertise. This means you will always have companies knocking at your door for your services, and in no time, you'll be sleeping on a bed of money. Number 6. Programmer. There's just one reason you should not get jobs as a programmer, and that's if people stop using computers. Yep, your guess is as good as mine. Computers are going nowhere. Getting jobs is not the only benefit of becoming a programmer. There's also the appealing income that comes with it, whether you are on a company's monthly payroll or you work as a freelance programmer. You could even start your own company. The point is, pay is always good. So, what's programming all about? Programming involves writing instructions in the language computers understand because computers speak a language that's different from ours. Computer instructions are written in a language called a programming language. Although there are several languages in the programming world, learning and mastering all of these are not necessary. Some of the languages I recommend for you to master are JavaScript, HTML and CSS, Python, Java, SQL, Bash, Shell, Ruby, and C++.